Let's explore the pipeline pattern. This pattern helps in chaining operations in Go, allowing you to build elegant data processing workflows using channels. The pipeline pattern is a design approach where data is processed through a series of connected stages. Each stage transforms the data and then passes it on to the next stage using channels. The key aspects of this pattern include concurrent processing, which allows stages to run simultaneously, data transformation, where each stage modifies the data, and modular design, enabling easy addition, removal, or modification of stages. Here's a basic example of a pipeline structure. We define a generator function that outputs data to a channel. Let's break down the code. The generator function creates a channel of integers. Inside a Go routine, it iterates from 0 to 4, sending each number to the output channel, and finally the channel is closed. This is a processing stage in the pipeline. It receives data from an input channel, performs an operation, and sends the result to an output channel. In this doubler function, data is received from the input channel. For each number received, it is multiplied by 2, and then the result is sent to the output channel. Finally, the output channel is closed. This is the consumer stage. It receives the processed data from the pipeline and performs a final action, such as printing the results. The printer function receives data from the input channel. For each result received, it prints it to the console. Now, connect the stages to form a complete pipeline. In the main function, first the numbers are generated using the generator function. The numbers are then doubled using the doubler function, and finally the doubled numbers are printed using the printer function. The pipeline pattern provides several benefits. Scalability is achieved because each stage runs concurrently, enabling parallel processing. Modularity is improved because it is easy to add, remove, or modify individual processing stages. In summary, the pipeline pattern enables elegant data processing through connected stages. Each stage runs concurrently using Go channels for communication. By using this pattern, you can build powerful, scalable workflows with clean modular code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.